spinach fresh pasta. C'est super sûr. Hi guys, welcome to Cook Avec Dan, and this week we are doing spinach fresh pasta. We need about 10 ounces of baby spinach. You need to bake them at medium heat. Okay, now we have exactly what we want here with the spinach. We'll take them out, let them cool, and remove the water from it. In a blender, put all your spinach and 2 whole eggs. And mix. We put this mixture in a strainer. Okay, so now we're ready to start the pasta, and we will do the same way we usually do, except we add this mixture in it. So we start with 2 cups of 00 flour. As usual, make a wheel in your flour, and then you incorporate the spinach. Now we will divide the dough in 4. And the piece we don't work with now, put it back on the wrap so it stays nice and moist. Make sure everything is floured. And here what we are doing is laminating the dough. To accompany this spinach fresh pasta, I will make a white pesto. We already did the recipe of the white pesto, so if you want the complete recipe, just click on the link in the description below. In salted boiling water, we'll put our fresh pasta for about 60 seconds, and the key is to always stir it so it don't stick together, and reserve some of that pasta water. And now let's pan some scallop, and before, make sure that you remove all the excess water, because if it's not dry, it won't make a nice sear into it. So now those are dried. and we will mix our white pesto with some of the pasta water we saved. Also, I like to make a little side of oyster with this, and if you want to know if those are fresh, just hit it together, and if they sound like rocks, that's good. If it sounds empty, it's bad. Alright, so we have our spinach fresh pasta with scallops and a side of oysters, and to pair this I chose sparkling wine. This one is from Napa, and I really like that product. It's close to what you can buy in Champagne, but for half of the price. And why I chose sparkling wine is because of the shellfish we have here. When you have shellfish like oysters or scallop, sparkling wine is a no-brainer for me. Let's find out how it is. So when you open a bottle of champagne or sparkling wine, you're supposed to turn the bottle and not the cork. This is supposed to be the proper way to open a champagne bottle. I can smell notes of green apple. There's a fresh acidity to it. The bubbles are just small enough. It's really good. And I will start with the oysters. Those are really good. They are from New Brunswick in Canada, and they are very mineral. This is my favorite taste in oysters. It's really good. So let's try this. It's very good. It's a good match with our white pesto. We have very creamy texture. It's very cheesy. There's the zest of the lemon there. It's just a good kick in the palate, and the scallop is just delicious. This was delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and this recipe. If so, subscribe to my channel for more. Until then, cheers and see you next week.